Briefly, I just want to mention about these ongoing recruitments. As we had announced earlier, the exams will start from 15th of December. We have already notified the dates for the exams for isolated and ministerial categories, that is mainly stenos and teachers. The number of vacancies are 1663 and the applications are 1.03 lakh, and the computer based test has already been scheduled from 15th of December, which will end on 18th of December. And the next exam, non-technical popular category ntpc, where we recruit station master, guards, office clerks, commercial clerks. There the application is 1.26 crore, and that exam has also been scheduled from 28th December. In fact, we scheduled it after Christmas holiday, and this will be completed by the end of March. The agency is already in place. The arrangements have already been made. All the general managers have already been advised, and we are working on the details. This year, due to this corona situation, we are ensuring that the examination centers for the candidates are kept within their own state, and their travel time or their traveling distance is less. But still, we are working on it, and we are trying to ensure that the candidates will have to travel a very short distance. And for that short distance also, we have already started planning special trains. We will be running special trains for those candidates, and we will see that all the COVID protocol are followed. And once this is completed by the end of March, immediately after this exam, in the first week of April, we will start exams for level 1, that is track maintainers, pointsmen and various level 1 employees. Again, the number of applicants are 1.15 crore. That exam immediately will start after completing ntpc exam, and we will be completing this exam by June 21. So starting from 15th of December, all these 3 exams will be completed, and after that the recruitment process will be started. So thank you very much, and I'll be very happy to interact with you, take your questions.